Good morning. I am Aditya Mangalam of BCA Batch 1, third sem. I have created a website using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap under the guidance of Neeraj Kumar Singh sir. So, like you have used Pinterest website, similarly, I have created the clone of the Pinterest in my own way. So, what is my services? So, if you click to the services, I give what we offer: artwork, recipes, and poetries. Uh, if you want to contact us, then your name, email id and message, and you can send your message to us. And if you want to upload any your artworks, any your recipes, any your poetries to us, then you just have to upload your artwork, upload your recipes, upload your poetries. Like if I choose my file, then you have there an option to upload there some pictures. Or here is my gallery. So if you click on artworks, then all my artworks are all these. These are artworks. If you click on the recipes, then it has some Indian as well as the foreign recipes which you can try. And if you click on the poetries which are available in Hindi, English, and Urdu, so these are some of the poetries. If you want to search anything, and this is the all the this is the footer. In footer section, I have the created the copyright preserved. And if you want to upload any of your artworks, then you can go to the alag section, the different sections. Here the main aim of this website is to product your main aim of this website is to share and upload your arts and qualities to my website. So that's all from my side. Thank you.